There is a tool that can take a script you write in 5 minutes and turn it into a finished, ready-to-upload YouTube video in about the same time it takes to make a coffee. No camera, no microphone, no editing software. If you make content, freelance, consult, or run a small online business, and you've been putting off video because you don't have time to film or edit, this next 10 minutes might change how you create content for good. This is InVideo AI. In plain terms, it's a tool that turns text into video. You give it a topic or a script, and it writes or uses the script, picks matching stock footage and graphics, adds an AI voiceover, adds captions, and lays out a finished video automatically. You can then tweak anything you don't like, swap a clip, rewrite a line, change the voice, adjust the pacing. It also works for landscape videos, square videos for social feeds, and vertical videos for Reels or TikTok, so the same script can become multiple formats without starting over. If you're a content creator who wants to post more without burning out, a freelancer or consultant who wants video content for marketing but doesn't want to be on camera, or a small business owner who knows video sells but has zero time to learn editing, this is built for exactly that. You don't need any prior video experience. For creators, that means more consistent uploads. For freelancers and consultants, it means marketing videos that build trust without hiring a videographer. For small business owners, it means promotional content that used to take a week can now take an afternoon. Here's the actual walkthrough. Step 1. Open InVideo AI and start a new project. You'll see a box asking what your video is about. You can type a topic and let the AI write the script, or, and this is what I recommend once you're comfortable, paste in your own script so the message stays exactly in your words. For this example, let's say you're a freelance consultant and you want a 60-second video explaining one tip for small business owners. You paste in a short script, 3 or 4 sentences. You pick a visual style, clean and corporate, bold and energetic, or minimal. You can also let the AI suggest 3 or 4 style options based on your script's tone, so if you're not sure what clean and corporate actually looks like, you can preview each option before committing. You hit Generate. Within about a minute, InVideo builds a full draft. Stock footage or motion graphics matched to your words, an AI voice reading your script, captions synced automatically, and background music. This is the part most beginners skip, and you shouldn't. Watch the draft once. Every scene is editable. Click any clip to swap it for a different clip from the built-in library, click any text to change the wording, and click the voice settings to pick a different AI voice or adjust the speaking speed. If a scene doesn't match your message, you're not stuck with it. This step usually takes 2 or 3 minutes. It also helps to watch with the sound on and the captions visible at the same time, since a line that reads fine can sound awkward out loud, and a caption that's too long can get cut off on mobile screens. Next, add your own touch. Your logo in the corner, your brand colors, and an outro slide with your website or social handle. InVideo lets you save these as a brand kit, so every future video applies them automatically. You only set this up once. This matters more than it seems. Viewers subconsciously trust content that looks consistent, and a 5-second logo moment at the start or end can be the difference between someone remembering your name and scrolling past. Last step, export. Pick your resolution. 1080p is the safe standard for YouTube, and export in the 16:9 landscape format. Depending on length, export takes anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. That's it. Script to finished, YouTube-ready video in roughly 10 minutes. To recap with real numbers, writing or pasting the script takes about 2 minutes. Generating the first draft takes about 1 minute. Editing and branding takes about 5 minutes. Exporting takes about 2 minutes. That's a finished video in under 10 minutes, done entirely without opening a camera or recording your voice. Now let's be honest about this tool, because no tool is perfect for everyone. What it's genuinely good at is speed. If you need to turn ideas into video content consistently, this removes almost every technical barrier. It's also good for people who are camera shy, since the AI voice and stock visuals do the heavy lifting. Where it falls short, the AI voice can still sound slightly robotic on longer scripts, the stock footage library is generic, and the free plan is limited. One more thing worth knowing. Because the AI voice reads text literally, scripts written the way you'd naturally speak, with short sentences and simple words, sound far more natural than scripts written the way you'd write an essay. Bottom line, if you want to start publishing consistent video content without learning to edit, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. If you've been sitting on video ideas because you didn't have the time, the equipment, or the confidence to be on camera, tools like this remove that excuse. And if you're brand new to AI tools in general, don't worry about getting everything perfect on your first try. The first video you make with this will not be your best one, and that's completely fine. The goal is just to get one finished and published. If you want to try it yourself, check the first link in the description. If this was useful, subscribe for more breakdowns of AI tools that help creators, freelancers, and small businesses save time and make more money. See you in the next one.